This looks amazing. This is crazy. This is crazy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, you are very welcome. If you're a returning subscriber or viewer, thank you so much for your loyalty and your love. So guys, in today's video we are going to be talking about everything tech, everything iOS. We are going to be talking about the iOS 14. We're going to be talking about all the new features, the widgets, how you can customize your apps, how you can customize your phone, as well as some surprise features I'm going to be talking about. So make sure you stick to the end of this video to hear about all the extra apps that you need to turn your iPhone into something that's going to become the most aesthetically pleasing iPhone there is. Like, you're going to be happy waking up every day and looking at your phone because of how beautiful it looks. As you can see, my screen is still normal. This is still the old screen, so we are literally going to be going in depth together. So if you want to know how you can customize your phone, then please do keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to move over to the side of the screen just so that I have space to be able to put up my phone screen here. So yeah, there we go. My phone screen should be right here for you guys to see. I haven't done anything to this phone. The only thing I've done is that I've updated my iOS from the previous iOS 13.7, I think it was, to the iOS 14. This is one of the new features of the iOS 14, which is the app library. So besides your home screen with all your apps, the iPhone has actually organized your apps for you. They've done everything from your social media to your entertainment to your travel to your shopping and food to all your health and fitness apps. They have grouped it into categories, which I feel is much more easier, because if you're the kind of person that has a lot of apps on your phone and you're always searching for all your apps, this is an easier way to get all your apps. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to clean up this phone. We are going to declutter this phone. It's too messy. The apps are disorganized. The apps are everywhere. We are going to make this the cleanest home screen ever. So what you're going to do is another feature of the iOS 14. Press and hold on your home screen. This is what comes out. This is called the jiggle mode. So the jiggle mode comes out and all your apps start jiggling. You can see at the lower corner of the lower part of the screen, all the dots. You can just press on the dots and this shows all your pages, and you press it again and it takes you out. You press your home screen and your jiggle mode turns off. So what we are going to do is we are going to hide all these pages because it's just too much. It's messy. I don't want to be seeing it on the home screen. So as you can see, there are all these ticks at the lower ends of the boxes. So this just shows that your home screen or that particular page is not hidden. So to hide it, you are going to click off those ticks. So as you can see, I've hidden one page. I'm going to hide another one, going to hide another one, and I'm going to leave just one. It's not even going to let you hide another screen because you have no home screen left. So we are going to leave just one screen, but I don't like that I left that screen. So we are going to leave the smallest screen with the fewest apps, and I'm going to be telling you why. So as you can see, we have just one home screen left. It's blank here, and then we have our app library. So what we are going to do is we are going to take all these apps out of here. So I'm going to click on that minus sign on the app. So this is my Bible app, and what you're going to see is the delete app, move to app library, and cancel. You're going to click on move to app library. Be careful, don't click on delete app. We're going to move it to the app library, and then it's going to go and join all the other organized apps there. And then we're just going to do that for all the other apps until there's nothing left on this home screen. If you just slide down the app library, you can see that all your apps are already arranged in alphabetical order. So just in case you're still finding it difficult with the organization of your apps, you can go and search for your apps. It's already arranged alphabetically. So the app I'm going to open right now is my gallery, because we are going to be changing out the wallpaper. So I already went ahead and did some research, and I found some very cute wallpapers that match my aesthetic. I like very beige, brownish nude clean aesthetics. So I went to Pinterest and I gathered up some pictures, and we're going to be switching out the home screen. So let's pick this picture over here. This picture is going to become my new wallpaper. So yeah, this is what we are working with right now. So now we have a very blank canvas. We have no apps on the home screen whatsoever. We are going to first of all open up the Widgetsmith app. So as you can see, when you open the Widgetsmith, you have small, medium, large. These are just templates. So what we are going to do is we are going to start with the small. So I'm going to click on small 1, and this is just like the default widget. So we are going to set a new one. You can have widgets for your date, you can have widgets for the weather, your health, astronomy. I'm just going to go with the original one because I like it, the Tuesday 29th. So I'm just going to click on that, and then I'll go ahead to the font. Out of all the fonts, I think I like the chalk duster font, so I'm going to pick that. And then you go to the tint color. So for the color of the dates, I'm going to go to custom. I'm going to pick something that's a little on the brown side. I'm going to pick that. I don't know, I'm just playing around with it, whatever works. Let's go with a cream background. So there it is, we've created our first widget, which is the dates. So you're going to remember that this widget is saved as small number 1, so you keep that in mind. We are going back to the home screen, and then we are going to press and hold the home screen. You're going to see a plus sign on the top of the screen. You just click on that, and then you scroll down to Widgetsmith. You pick your small widget because that's what we just created, and then you click on add widget. So automatically it's going to go to the default setting. If you want to change it to the widget that you just created, all you have to do is just press and hold, then you click on edit widget, and then you click on small number 1, which is the widget that we just created. So now it has saved as the widget that we just created. So we are going to create another widget. I'm thinking a motivational quote. So we are going to go again, repeat the same thing, tap the plus sign, go to motivation. I'm going to click on the medium size because I want this to be right at the middle, and you click on add widget. So you're going to see prove them wrong. So yeah, I want it just right there in the middle. So this is the second widget that we've created. It's already coming together nicely. Next thing we are going to do is we are going to customize the apps. So we are going to give the apps their own separate app covers. So as you can see, we cleaned off all the apps. So now you're going to bring back the apps that you use the most. I'm just going to be keeping a maximum of like 8 apps on this home screen because I want everything clean, I want everything fresh. I don't want too much noise going on. What we are going to do is we are going to go to the app library, and then we are going to open up our shortcuts. So when you open up the shortcuts app, you're going to click on the plus sign, you click on add action, and then you click on scripting. From the scripting, you click on open app, then you choose the app that you want to open. I'm just going to scroll through until I get one of the apps that I use the most. So let's add Instagram. So this is going to open Instagram. Then I'm going to click on the 3 dots up above. Then we are going to click on shortcut name. We are going to name it Instagram. Then you click on add to home screen. Then under add to home screen, we are going to pick again the name Instagram. So we'll click on choose photo, which is going to take you straight to your gallery. So as you can see, I already have everything, like the pictures that I want. I specifically chose a picture of this girl for Insta because, like, you know, I take pictures of myself, so it's kind of my own way of not getting confused. Click on done. So this is our first action. So when you go to your home screen, what are you going to see? You're going to see the app for Instagram. And the only difference here is because you did it with shortcuts, the moment you click on it, it's supposed to open Instagram, but it's just going to take 1 second of your time. It's going to quickly go to shortcuts before it opens Instagram. So this is what it's going to do. If that doesn't bother you at all, then go ahead and do it. Like, it looks so pretty. So I'm going to go and repeat the same thing for other apps. So I'm going to make for my Snapchat, Facebook, Pinterest, my Bible app, you know, just all the apps that I usually open. So let's just go ahead and repeat it. So we are going back to our shortcut app, of course, and then we are going to click on add action. So under add action, we are back to scripting, open app. We choose the app. If this is too fast for you, then watch this video in slow-mo, because I know that I got confused a lot. Or you can ask me in the comment section and I'll explain it to you further. Let's make one for Pinterest. So open Pinterest, you click on the three dots above, click on add to home screen, then you change the name to Pinterest, and then choose photo, and then you choose any picture you want for Pinterest. I'm going to pick this aesthetic picture because like this is so Pinteresty. So yeah, add, it's saved to the home screen, done. So now our Pinterest is added to the home screen. So I'm done with the first 4, and I just made this little top right section for the social media that I tend to open the most. So I have Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, Facebook. This is like my little social media section. So now I'm going to go ahead and make an extra 4 on the lower left corner of my phone. I forgot YouTube. YouTube is also a social media. And WhatsApp. I'm not in my right mind today. So guys, I just went and finished up all the apps of camera. So now this is my new and improved home screen. I am loving it. This looks amazing. It's so me. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is just everything. I went ahead and I changed the dates, made it fit all the other colors. So up at the top right, you can see my Instagram, my Pinterest, WhatsApp, Facebook. So like, you know, my everyday social media. Then I have a motivational quote, very important. This changes every 30 minutes, which is so cool. This one says stress, anxiety and depression are caused when we are trying to please others. So true. At the lower right corner of the screen, I just added a photo of myself just because I don't know what else to put there. So this is like one of my favorite photos. I just put it there, just, you know, it's pleasing to the eye. It really has no function. Then all the other apps, we have Snapchat, my YouTube studio for my analytics, my YouTube app, my Lightroom, and then down these 3 apps. When you put apps here, the disadvantage is that you don't see the names, you can only see the pictures. So you have to try to kind of memorize the picture and know what it is. So the first one down here, you can see this little envelopes. This is my iMessage, and the one in the middle is my camera. I don't know how that signifies that it's my camera app. I'm sorry for anyone who tries to operate this phone. You'll be so confused, and it's customized for you and you alone. If you don't explain what's going on, no one else is going to understand how this phone works, which to me is so good. I still have 2 more things to show you guys. So I'm just going to open up my notes app. There is now a search emoji function. This function was made for me. So if you click on your emojis, you can see the tab that says search emojis. I am always looking for emojis. Sometimes the emoji is right there in my face and I can't see it. So this search emoji function is so great for me. So if I want a heart emoji, I just type hearts, and it comes up, all the different colors of the hearts, all the different shapes, everything hearts just comes up. The last thing I want to show you guys is a feature called the back tab. So I'm going to show you guys what it is. So I'll just go ahead and open up my settings, and then I'll scroll down to accessibility, scroll to touch, and under touch, the last thing on the screen there, you can see the back tab. So this just means that if you double tap at the back of your screen, it takes a screenshot. So let's test this, shall we? Can you guys see? If I triple tap on my phone, it opens Siri. Can you guys see that? And that is basically it. I might be forgetting a couple of things, so if you've tried out this new feature and you have anything to add, comment down below. If you have any questions, which I wouldn't be surprised if you do, because there are a lot of things going on here, also comment down below and I'll be happy to answer. I am really happy that Apple stepped up with this widget, and it's so nice to go back to the good old days where we could change the pictures of our apps and, you know, customize our phones the way we want. So if you've tried out iOS 14, let me know what your thoughts are on it. Do you like it? Do you feel like it's too extra? Do you feel like it's unnecessary? Or do you like the fact that you can make your phone look fun and aesthetic? And if you haven't, then try it out for yourself and let me know how it turns out for you. This is the end of this video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, then give it a thumbs up, share the video, and do not forget to join my YouTube family by hitting the subscribe button down below and turning on your notification bell so you never ever miss an upload from this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.